the session and we are left with two questions. Question number 16 and 17. In the previous video we have done the important question of NPO which you guys should do before the exam, come what may. Alright, दो question बाकी है अपना. So let us start this session. Question number 16 is what we should start off with. चालू करेंगे? Yes, let us start please. Issue of shares. Let's read. Some company registered with an authorized capital. Authorized is the maximum capital the company can issue or it is authorized to issue. That is of rupees 2 lakhs divided as 2000 shares of 100 each. So 2000 number of shares है, 100 is the par value, 2000 into 100 is rupees 2 lakhs. ठीक है? Issued for subscription of 1000 shares. So 1000 is what we have issued out of 2000 authorized. ठीक है? Payable as 25 per share on application, 30 per share on allotment and 20 per share on first call. So 25 plus 30 is 55, 55 plus 20 is 75, 25 रुपये बाकी है. ठीक है? And the balance as and when required. So second call में they'll probably call the balance. ठीक है? Nothing is mentioned. We always assume that the issue of shares has been at par. We have to be told specifically कि issue is at a premium for us to take a premium. Otherwise we will assume it's at par. Application money on 1000 shares was received, very good. Then allotment was also made, very good. Allotment money was also received in full, very good, because there is no calls in arrears at least अब तक. ठीक है? But आ गया मतलब टेंशन आ गया. But when the first call was made, one shareholder failed to pay the amount on 100 shares held by him. So जितना पैसा आना था पूरा आ चुका रहेगा except 100 shares का पैसा वो अब तक आया नहीं है. We'll transfer this amount to calls in arrears का account. ठीक है? And one more shareholder with 50 shares paid the entire amount on his shares. तो इसके पास कुछ surplus cash रहेगा. इसने बोला you guys have made the first call, I have money today only, take the money from me and keep my money as advance. So जितना जो 25 बाकी है, 25 कैसे आया? 100 is the par value of share, 25 is on application, 30 is on allotment, 20 is on the first call. So balancing figure is 25. This is what he must have paid in advance. 50 शेयर के ऊपर 25 रुपया, I think 1250. This is the amount he has already paid in advance. It is our liability. And 100 शेयर्स के ऊपर 20 रुपया appears to be rupees 2000. This is my calls in arrears. And 25 रुपया into 50 shares appears to be 1250. This is my calls in advance. ठीक है? आगे बढ़ेंगे. Give the entries. Okay, the company did not make any other call. So वो जो 25 रुपया कॉल बाकी है वो अब तक कॉल नहीं किया है, अच्छी बात है. Give the entries in the books of the company to record all the transactions. So pretty simple sum. One entry will be for application. Then we'll have to transfer application to my equity share capital. Then we'll have to make them debtors for allotment. Then we'll receive allotment money. Then we'll make the first call due. Then we'll receive money on the first call with all the adjustments of advance and arrears. And then last में we'll have the last entry transferring to calls in advance or calls in arrears as the cases. And that's it. इतना ही है. तो काफ़ी straightforward question है. So let us start with the solution. Okay, so bank account debit to application. This is nothing but 1000 shares. 1000 shares के ऊपर 25 रुपये on application. Money is coming in and we don't use the share capital directly. We always transfer it to share application. And then this amount is directly transferred to the share capital. So share application debit to share capital. So share application credit and share application debit. This will close the share application account. ठीक है? Then we make the first, the allotment money due. I can't name all debtors, so I combine everything and use a share allotment account. So I debit the allotment telling, 1 minute, I debit the allotment signifying that the money is due and the amount is to be credited to share capital because it is an issue of capital and that will be 1000 shares के ऊपर 30 रुपया, that is 30,000 rupees. This is my amount due. ये पैसा आया नहीं है, it is amount due. Once the amount is due, the money will come. Once the money will come, I will debit the bank because money is coming in and my temporary account of share allotment has to be closed. So I will credit the share allotment. As you can see, debit share allotment, credit share allotment will be closed as well. Now comes the first call. I will make the amount due as usual like allotment. So first call account debit, obviously एक मिनट, फर्स्ट कॉल अकाउंट डेबिट and to capital because this is my amount due and the amount has to be transferred to my capital. That is normal entry 1000 shares के ऊपर 20 रुपया for the first call amount due. Now money will come. All things remaining constant, we would have received 20,000, but then because of one person paying in advance and because one person not paying on 100 shares and one person paying 50 shares के ऊपर advance, the amount will not exactly tie up. So out of the full amount of 20,000, 2,000 was calls in arrears. This amount is nothing but 100 shares के ऊपर 20 रुपये, ये पैसा आएगा ही नहीं. एंड ये जो 50 शेयर्स का 1250 अमाउंट है, दैट इज 50 into 25 एक्स्ट्रा. दिस 25 इज ऑब्वियसली 100 minus 75 which is called up, that is 25 रुपया. So I will adjust 2,000, I'll adjust 1250. So 20,000 minus 2,000, 18,000. 18,000 plus 1250 appears to be 19,250. This is the amount that we have actually received. बराबर, रिसीव कितना भी हो, वी हैव टू क्लोज द फर्स्ट कॉल अकाउंट. सो फर्स्ट कॉल वी हैड डेबिटेड, नाउ वी विल क्रेडिट द फर्स्ट कॉल. डेबिट किया था 20,000 में, क्रेडिट भी करेंगे 20, सो अपना फर्स्ट कॉल क्लोज हो जाएगा. The amount which is not received even after we calling the amount, that will be transferred to calls in arrears. That is this amount of 2,000. ये अपना पैसा अब तक आया नहीं है. The amount that we have received in advance will then be transferred to calls in advance. That is 1250 ये amount, and that is how the entry is made. इसके बाद the company may decide to forfeit and all, and then forfeiture के time entries will be passed for forfeitures if required. Obviously that is not there in the question, so we are not going there, and that is how we pass all the entries, and that is the end of question number 16 as well. एप्लीकेशन आया, एप्लीकेशन ट्रांसफ़र किया, अलॉटमेंट ड्यू हुआ, पैसा भी आया, फर्स्ट कॉल ड्यू किया, आधा पैसा आया, थोड़ा एडवांस भी आया, एंड देन वी ऑल्सो क्लोज द फर्स्ट कॉल. सो इफ़ यू ऑब्जर्व माई एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट, 1 minute, हाँ, माई एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट वॉज ओपनड एंड क्लोज्ड, my allotment was opened and closed, and my first call was also opened and closed. All these are temporary accounts, they will be opened for a purpose, and once we receive the cash or bank, as the case is, they will eventually be closed, and the net amount will always be bank and my share capital. Share cap will always be credited with the face value or the par value of the shares, never the premium content. Premium content, if any received, will go to security premium account. ठीक है, and this was my question number 16 on issue of shares. We will now jump to question number 17, that is issue of debentures. काफ़ी छोटा एंड ईजी क्वेश्चन लग रहा है. मोटा मोटा both chapters का accounting is almost the same. First the money comes in, then we make the amount due for allotment, then first call, second call, as the cases, but debentures are never forfeited as against shares. ठीक है, so let us start the question. Some company has issued 3.5 lakh 12% debentures. ये अपना interest component है. Interest is always the investor's income and company's cost. ठीक है, 100 at par, very good. Payable in full on application. तो टेंशन ही नहीं, एप्लीकेशन में पूरा पैसा करना है. सो वो एप्लीकेशन, अलॉटमेंट, फर्स्ट कॉल, सेकंड कॉल, टाइम पास करना नहीं है अपने को. ठीक है, ऑन द 1st of April एप्लीकेशन वर रिसीव फॉर 385. टेल मी व्हाट इज माई इशू साइज? 350. Okay, what is my number of application received? 385. So can I say 35,000 are excess? Yes, this is my subscription oversubscribed. Either we give a refund and cancel the people who had applied last, or we do a pro rata allotment. Let us see what the question has said. Debentures were allotted on so and so, and the money refunded on the same date. So refund diya matlab it's a question of cancellation. We are not doing a pro rata allotment. In the case of pro rata allotment, we keep the money with us and we adjust it during later stage of allotment. ठीक है, पास एंट्रीज आर वेरी सिंपल. सो फर्स्ट we'll have entry for application, then we have the entry for refund, and then we'll simply transfer the application money to my debentures account. Like the way share cap may we always use only the face value content or the par value content, in debentures we again have the same concept. We always credit debentures with the face value content only, not the premium. But यहाँ पे टेंशन नहीं है because it is a par value पे issue. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट एंट्री एज आई डिस्कस्ड विल बी फॉर एप्लीकेशन मनी रिसीव्ड बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर एप्लीकेशंस के बदले डिबेंचर एप्लीकेशन बिकॉज ये डिबेंचर्स है. वॉट एवर इज द एक्सेस मनी, दैट एक्सेस मनी 35,000 शेयर्स के ऊपर 100 रुपया, 35,000 ओके इन थाउजेंड्स है, ठीक है, के ऊपर 100 रुपया वी विल हैव टू रिफंड इट बैक. एज यू कैन सी एप्लीकेशन इज क्रेडिटेड विद 38,500, एप्लीकेशन इज डेबिटेड विद 3,500. दैट मीन्स माई नेट अमाउंट सिटिंग इन द एप्लीकेशन इज 35,000 and that will be closed by debiting by 35,000 and transferring it to debentures account. This will be going in the balance sheet under long term loans of debentures and well that is it. ठीक है. So this is my question number 17 also gone. One entry for application, one entry for refund because the question clearly mentioned refund, and the last entry is for transferring the application to debentures account because this is my actual debentures ka accounting because debentures are issued. So all questions are taken care of. Last question theory के ऊपर है. You all can just simply go through this theory quickly. Fundamental accounting assumptions, the TB का अपना objectives, accounting conventions and machine hour rate of depreciation. एक काफ़ी simple theory है. अपना accounting principles अपन ने बहुत बार पढ़ा हुआ है. It is going concern, it is consistency and accrual. These are three accounting principles that we assume irrespective of we stating them or not. Objectives of TB is checking the accuracy and obviously it is a basis for preparation of final accounts and obviously it is a summarized ledger of all the closing balances of my ledger. So it is simply a balance sheet. लेकिन balance sheet के तुम्हारा इस बार income, expense, all ledgers are there including real, personal, nominal, everything. ठीक है. Accounting conventions are nothing but the accounting policies or the practice that a firm adopts for having its books of accounts and these normally remain same year after year. अगर कुछ change करना होगा so it is likely to disclose it. Machine hour rate method for depreciation. So in this case our asset का cost is spread over its useful life लेकिन life is given in terms of number of hours. So we find depreciation per hour and जितना भी hours अपन ने साल में use किया है we take that as depreciation. So formula अगर दिया हुआ रहेगा so it is a total cost of the machine upon the life into ये होगा मेरा depre per hour and this number will be utilized with number of hours that has been used in this year and we will get the depreciation of this year and that completes our RTP of November 20 for accounts. You guys need to go through the RTP because it is very important. It's a good revision and we have seen that a couple of times questions directly RTP में से उठा के paste कर देते हैं in the main exam. So RTP is very important. Please share this among your friends as well. It's a very important thing to go through before your exam. तुम्हारा अभी exam is almost 1.5 month away, so it's a good time to go through RTPs. मैंने obviously accounting का किया है, but whatever RTPs are there in the or on the ICAI website, please make an effort to go through it. I will be uploading other RTP questions के solutions as well for you guys, so please watch out for the videos. I will be uploading other RTP के solutions as well, but for November 20, the November 20 RTP is of utmost importance. ठीक है. Alright, good luck for your exams. See you guys soon in some other videos. Alright, चलो, bye bye.